Now talking about a way that everybody is talking about in order to get fluency in spoken English, and that is start thinking English. Everybody is talking about, but they are not talking about is it useful or not, because and who can start thinking English. I tell you about that this method will help you to who. I tell you, you know what happens is, if you know how to speak in English, even a small sentence, for example, I eat, I sleep, I go, I talk, I, any small sentences that you are able to speak, it means it will be useful. But let me tell you one more thing, that is, after knowing how to frame out the sentences like small sentences, still you will require practice. Directly your mind will not be able to start thinking in English, because your mind is not trained. Your mind does not have a lot of ideas related to anything. Your mind does not have a lot of vocabularies. Your mind does not have any ideas. At that time, what will happen, you will be forcing your mind that start thinking in English, but your mind will not be able to think in English because of the knowledge that you will be lacking. Your mind will be lacking, therefore your mind will not be able to think in English. To to if you want your mind, if you want your mind to think in English, what you will have to do, firstly you will have to start accumulating the knowledge. And knowledge can be related to, means first, as you want to be fluent in spoken English, then related to fluency you will have to accumulate the knowledge, means vocabulary. You will have to start thinking a lot. You start thinking, not thinking, you will start watching lots of videos, and the content should be in English. Now talking about, you should start writing as well, because writing will help you a lot in order to get fluency, as well as over time when your mind will be filled with some ideas and vocabularies which are essential to be spoken, then your mind will start thinking. Then you will be able to speak in English in less time, means without letting people know that you are thinking or translating your sentences from Hindi to English. Okay, so you will have to train your mind first. And for training your mind, what you will have to do is, you will have to feed some important things associated with fluency of spoken English. It can be related to vocabulary, it can be related to writing, listening, reading. Okay, these are the things that you will have to stick with in order to get fluency in your spoken English.